Polona, Žnidaršič, Plazl, and I am an associate professor of biotechnology at the University of Ljubljana. I recently came back from the United States, where I spent almost half a year as a Fulbright scholar at the Oregon State University. The university is located in the college town Corvallis, situated approximately 1 hour drive from the Pacific coast. My host at the School of Chemical, Biochemical and Environmental Engineering was Professor Goran Jovanović, who is one of the leading experts in the field of microreactor technology, which is also a major topic of my research. The largest part of my work at the Oregon State University was devoted to the preparation of the research paper on toxic polychlorophenol removal, which has been very recently not only accepted for the publication, but also selected as the cover paper of the Chemical Engineering Journal. I was also engaged in the preparation of the project proposal for development of a miniaturized device for advanced blood treatment. Besides a few lectures and seminars at the Oregon State University and Microproducts Breakthrough Institute, I had an outreach lecture funded through the Fulbright program at the University of Idaho. As an outcome of this visit, a proposal for the bilateral USA-Slovenia cooperation was submitted and recently accepted for funding. I was in Corvallis together with my family, which was very well accepted in the community. We all established several new friendships, and we might say that we feel Oregon as our second home. We already have several plans for further collaboration with Oregon State University, and we are looking forward to meeting our friends again. The experience gained through the Fulbright program was extremely positive, and it will have a lifelong influence on my professional as well as personal development. Therefore, I would like to acknowledge U.S. Department of State, people from the U.S. Embassy in Ljubljana, and especially Professor Goran Jovanović for giving me this wonderful opportunity.